Ever wondered about the mysteries behind those clever blackbirds? Let's discover the world of crows in just 1 minute. Crows are more than just birds. They are incredibly intelligent creatures. They can solve problems and even use tools to get what they want. Crows are highly social beings, communicating through their unique calls and body language. Their diet is diverse, from insects to leftovers. They play a crucial role in our ecosystem. They are even urban adapters, thriving in city environments. Crows have held symbolic meanings, from messengers to omens. In just a minute, you have caught a glimpse of fascinating world of crows. These birds are more than meets the eye, contributing to the beauty and the balance of our world. Stay curious and keep exploring. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more amazing insights.